6 child behavior issues that are the parent's fault. You may try to convince others that your child is the most well-mannered little person in the world. But if you make mistakes in their upbringing, they'll be noticeable in certain situations. Does your child trouble others? Does he or she always forget to say thank you? Is your kid telling family secrets to strangers? Then you should understand that the problem is not with your child. You should change your attitude first. Let's have a look at how to deal with all of the most common child behavior issues efficiently. Situation number 6, a habit of interrupting others. Do your kids often interrupt you? Well, then you should know that saying, "Don't interrupt," never works. Also, never yell at your child and never punish them for interrupting others. Teach your child to wait for their turn in conversation every day and at home, while having a family dinner or talking on the phone with your colleagues or friends. For instance, before calling anyone, tell your child, "I'm going to talk on the phone now and I'm not to be interrupted. I'll finish talking when the long hand on the clock reaches that number." We guarantee you, after some time, your kid will learn how to wait their turn. Situation number 5. Your child touches goods at a store or insists on buying them. Oh, it's important for your child to learn to keep their wishes at bay. They should learn to understand you can't purchase everything in a store, and you don't need to. The problem is, they think that you're picking things at a store without any system. They don't even understand you have a list of goods to buy. So first, be prepared for going shopping. You can make a list of goods together with your kid, and even draw pictures if your child can't read yet. Let your child be in charge of this paper, watching that you're following the list. Your kid will thank you for being involved in the shopping game. Situation number 4. Your child doesn't say polite words. The earlier you start teaching your child politeness, the better. However, some kids understand it quickly, while others don't get it the first time. Show your child the magic of polite words. Don't do anything they ask until they say, "Please." Does your child want to watch cartoons? Then first he or she should say, "Please turn the TV on." No more, "TV, TV," or "Mom, turn it on." Also, say hello, bye, and thank you first without waiting for your child to remember. Always be a great example to your kid. In this case, they'll copy you and learn how to be polite with others. Situation number 3. Your child doesn't know when to stop. You talk at home about some issues at work, and the next day, you see how your child repeats everything he or she heard from you to a neighbor in an elevator. Has that ever happened to you? Well, a child finds it hard to understand that there's information you shouldn't share with others. They don't know shame or embarrassment, and they have no experience of the backlash of wrong words said at the wrong time. Parents, on the other hand, may well suffer from those. So try to introduce the concept of a home secret, meaning all the things you and your kids shouldn't tell other people. Situation number 2. Your child is afraid of leaving your side. A child grows too scared of leaving their parents' side when the parents put barriers between them and usual activities. There's a setting in their head. If I ride down the slide, I'm going to fall or tear my clothes, etc. That's why when a parent in a good mood suddenly allows the child to go to the playground freely, the kid will probably choose not to risk their life for a momentary pleasure. What should you do to change the situation? Just give your child more freedom and teach them to make decisions on their own. Situation number 1. Your kid troubles other adults. If a child can easily start a conversation with an unfamiliar person, that's a sign of trust in the family. However, it may also mean the child doesn't know adults may have other interests. An illustrative example is when parents can't do what they want or need to because they try to spend all their time with their little ones. It's no surprise that a child can't imagine other people wanting anything else other than what the child wants. Do you know other parenting mistakes that all of us should avoid? Share them in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video